Hi everyone, in this video we want to talk about resignations and counter offers, which means once you resign, what exactly should you do? Should you quit or should you take the counter offer from your current employer? Now, why I'm creating this video is because very recently a project manager scheduled a call with me and this guy told me that he was in a very critical role and he was asking for salary and promotion to his current employer for quite some time now, but they were just postponing it. Every time they were giving some reason that we will do the salary increment or the promotion next time, next quarter, after 6 months, something of that sort. So he got frustrated and he started to look outside. Now, once he got an offer, he put his papers. As soon as he resigned, everybody in the current company started to panic. When I say everybody, I mean the senior people. So he told me that, Anand, once I put my papers, all the senior people, 3 levels senior to him, started to call him. They started to talk to him. They wanted one-on-one meetings and they were giving him offers like, you tell us what kind of salary you want. You tell us what kind of designation you want. We are ready to do everything for you. We want to retain you at any cost. When senior people act like this, there is of course a business reason. This guy also told me that one senior person went to an extent and said, you know that once you quit this company, along with you, the project will also go. The competition is just waiting for you to quit and the client will give the entire engagement to another company. So that was the business reason why these guys were so mad about him leaving and they wanted to retain him at any cost. The mistake the company made is that they did not give attention to the employee earlier. Before quitting, if they had listened to his salary expectations or his promotion expectations, then this guy would have not even resigned. But that is how the corporate world sadly operates. People wake up only when the damage is done. Now, if you are in a situation like this where you have resigned, you have another offer in hand and your current company is trying to retain you, what exactly should you do? In my view, you should consider 2-3 points. The first and the most important point is why. Why did you start the job search? If you were having a job, if you're working in this company for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, what exactly happened because of which you started to search for a new job? That why is so important because that why can be, for example, you did not get along with the people, you did not get along with the client. That can be one reason. It can be that you are not happy with the salary. It can be that you are not happy with the role or you are not happy with the environment as such, right? So there can be multiple reasons for somebody to quit, but there is absolutely 1 or 2 main reasons. So as soon as you quit and somebody tries to retain you, you need to ask a question. If I am retained, is my original problem getting fixed? If your original problem was people and you will after retention end up working with the same people, then your problem is not solved. Then there is no point in waiting. If your original problem was salary and these guys are ready to pay you more salary, then yes, to an extent, they're trying to do the right thing by retaining you. But then you need to think about other things. That okay, salary somebody else from outside is also giving. These guys are also giving. Now, what about role? What about growth prospects? What about technology, domain, etc.? So you need to weigh in all the parameters. So the decision would be different for different people given your background and given your scenario. But it starts with why. Why am I really searching for a new job? Why the thought of leaving came to my mind? That is the first point. Second point is keep the bigger picture in mind. Look at all the possibilities which are in store for you in the new company. Wherever you are going to join, look at what kind of growth prospects do they have, what kind of business do they have, and what kind of role are you going to play over there versus if you are retained over here, what exactly are you going to do? In most cases, people take back their resignation because they feel comfortable working with the same set of people, same project, same technology. That is your comfort zone trap, right? So you tend to go back to a zone which you are more comfortable with. Avoid going to an unknown because you think that, okay, these guys are anyway going to give me the money. Why take the trouble of getting into an uncomfortable zone? So think about that. The choice is yours. But at the end of the day, the why is important and the long-term prospects are absolutely important. So don't take decision in a hurry. Think about all these things. In my view, people who resign and revert the resignation, accept the counter offer, out of these people, 80% people tend to resign again in the next 1 year. That is by observation after speaking to a lot of people. Because once you resign and once you take back resignation, sometimes the people start to change their attitude, right? They don't behave in the same way they were behaving earlier because you have done some arm twisting, right? Especially the senior people. So in some cases, those things happen and then people eventually quit after 9 to 12 months. But there are also few cases where after taking the resignation back, people have stayed in the same company for many years. That has also happened. But again, it is case to case basis. To summarize, look at aspects like growth, long-term prospects, role, technology, domain, flexibility. These are typically the main things, and of course the people that you are going to work with. Depending on these parameters, you can weigh in and then take your decision. But remember that company will go to any level to retain you if you are important for their business. Otherwise, they don't care. If they don't have business pipeline, if you are not critical, if somebody else can replace you, then they will be happy to let you go. All right, those are my thoughts on this topic. Let me know what you think about it in comments. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, do hit the like and the hype button and then share this video in your WhatsApp groups. I will see you in another video soon. Take care and bye for now.